Welcome back. This is video number 7 in the Claude AI series, and in this video I will show you how you can personalize the responses that you get from the Claude. Have you noticed that whenever you ask the question, you get similar kind of responses sometimes, but sometimes you get different responses, right? I have talked with many persons, and what they use is they go to this Claude's website and then just ask the question without doing any personalization. They don't know that they can do some sort of personalizations to get better responses. In this video I will show you the 3 ways how you can personalize the responses that you get from Claude. So here is what I'm going to cover in this video. There is 3 layers. Layer 1 applies to every conversation, that is the profile level preferences. And the second one is the project instructions. That was the last video I posted. You can create a project, and inside the project you can create the instructions, upload the files and so on. So that is the project level instructions. And the third one is about the styles. There are different styles already present there, which shows you who you are and what to do and how to sound. These kind of things can be customized so that you get the concise, formal, your custom voice responses from the Claude. And I will also show you how you can create your custom style, which is not already there in the Claude. You get the feeling of whatever you want the Claude to respond. That is what I'm going to cover in this video, all 3 stack, and it all works in the free version of the Claude. Let's jump into the UI and I will show you how you can do this. This is the first one. You need to go to a name here in the free plan, go to the settings, and in the settings you can see here there is the profile, right? There is the name here, and down here it says what personal preferences would Claude consider in responses. This is where you can provide information so that Claude always applies this in each conversation, and you can read what personal preferences would Claude consider in responses. Your preference will apply to all conversation within the Anthropic guideline. If you want to go there and read more, it's up to you. There is a link there. But just a simple example of before going into one concrete example, let me go to the chat and I will say here hello, right? If I just say here hello, what will it do? It's the normal conversations. Hello, how can I help you today? Right? Because there is no customization here or personalization here, meaning that each and every person who arrives to this portal or the UI will get similar kind of responses. What if you just want to say, okay, your name? So always say here, okay, always refer me with my name, Sudarshan. Just a simple example to show you that it works that way. Now I will go into the chat. Again, I will say here, hello. Now it's different. It says, hello, Sudarshan, how are you doing today? What can I help you? This is the simple example for you to get understanding how this first level of profiling works, right? This is just a simple example. But what we can do now is make it a little bit better. I will just grab something here, which I have. I will just go here, replace this for now just to show you. Here I will replace my name here, right? I will say Sudarshan, occupation, small business owner, bakery, interest, marketing, baking, community, buildings, preferences. I prefer practical advice with specific examples. You see that you provided some sort of preferences or customization, whatever you want to call it here, and I will save this one. Once I save it in the future conversations, now similar to what I mentioned in the previous one, it will now follow this pattern. I don't need to go and ask any questions here again to show you, but you get the point that with this first level of personalization in your profile, now each and every time it goes through this personal preferences and provide you the answer. Let's go to the second one. Just to show you the second one, I'll go to this diagram again. This is the project instructions, right? Per project applies to chats inside a project. For this also to show you how it works, I already showed in my previous video here, projects and custom instructions, video number 6. I recommend you to watch that video. But here I created a project, and inside the project I have this Sunrise Bakery blog, right? Inside here, if I just go into the instructions, you can see here I provided these instructions here. and then there was a file being uploaded, meaning that you can upload the files of your company here, and then you can provide custom instructions also here, which is then applied to this project, right? That is the second one. Now let's go into the third one, and this is actually the most important one, where you can use the existing styles as well as you can create your own style. As it is explained in the diagram also, layer 3 is the styles per conversation, which you can switch anytime. That is also one advantage here. Like you can say whatever you want it to do in the styles. This plus icon here, and down here it says use style. By default it is already the normal style here. That's the reason if you ask hello and some questions, it will follow this normal style. And there is also this learning, concise, explanatory, and the formal. If you want to have these kind of styles in your answer, you can just go into this, click and find the answer for you. Just to give you a simple example, let me say that I want to ask how the compound interest works, right? Let's say explain how compound interest works. Normal style, it says compound interest is this, and provides me the answer. I can go into the styles and I want it to be more concise. I go into the concise, right? I go again into the edit, and now this is in the concise, right? I need to edit something. I remove the dot, I save it. Now let's see what will be the answer. It must be a concise version of it, and now it's explaining, okay, compound interest is this, and it's more concise than before, right? What you can even do now is maybe you want it to explain a little bit more. It says here explanatory. Okay, I need to edit something. I'll put again the dot here. I will save it. Now it will explain you more. Here you can say, okay, start with the basics, simple interest. Now add the compounding twist. With this, you can see here, now it's going step by step explaining us the things so that we know it better. This is how you can use the styles for different prompts. This is one thing which I have seen many not using it, but I highly recommend to go and try this, because all the questions or the prompts will not be the same, right? You ask different questions, and based on that you can just go here and change the style. So now let's go and create our own style. So let's create a custom style. I'll go into the plus here, and in the style it says here create and edit styles. I will click this one. Here there is already the one that is being provided, and you can go here, click this, and then it says use style or options, hide. You can even hide the preset style. Whatever you want to do, you can go here and give different names. You can use this style, right? These are the things which is already there. But what I want to do is I want to create custom style, and here is the tip: choose your preset styles or create your own styles to tailor elements of Claude's written responses such as tone, voice, vocabulary, detail level. And you can go here and read more, because if you are investing your time in creating your own style, I recommend you to go through this documentation that Anthropic provides, right? So now let's go and create a custom style, and here there is two things. Here it says the writing example, because this is add writing example style type. What you can do here is upload from your device, paste text content, so that you are giving some examples to the Claude with that style. Each time you ask the question with this style, it will follow what examples you have provided. For example, you are writing a blog post. You can paste how you write your blog post here, so that it knows your pattern of writing things, right? You can paste or upload from the device. This is quite handy already. It's already automating your task, so that you don't need to paste again and again the same things for the Claude to understand what you want to do. And another thing here is describe style instead. Two things, right? Add writing example, or you can just go here and click this describe style instead, and now there are different styles here. Choose define style objective, tailor to an audience, and use a specific tone. This is changing also here. Use custom instructions, that is the advanced. Follow one of these, and if you want to go back, never mind, I will use an example. Let me show you one example. I will go with this describe Style. I will just take one example. Here I am using bakery social media, description social media captions for a small bakery. Once I generate this style, you can see this is the style summary. You can edit, you can use this style already from here, or here you can rename this. You can give your own name also here. Now if I close this one and if I go to this plus icon now again, use style, and now you can see there is this cozy bakery voice style here. You can choose this one now, and now you can ask the question. For example, I want to write a post announcing our new cold brew flavor salted caramel. I will just send this one. Now it is using our style. So you can see our new salted sweet this, and it is giving us come try to this catchy also, and there is this emoji also being shown here. Just to show you the example again, I will remove this now. Now this is using the normal style which is by default selected. What I will do, I will copy this again just to show you. I will paste it here. Let's see what happens here. This is not following what we wanted, right? Now you can see it is switching to the different mode now. Before it uses our instruction, so it just said, okay, here you go, I created this for you. But then now here it is asking, okay, where are you posting this? Now I can go to Instagram. It is asking me what type of vibe you want to have. I can say playful. Now this is how the Claude it is using our style when we want. If we don't want, then it will clarify for us what you want. And now I choose this where I want to post. Based on that information, it is using these things. This is also playing here. Where did we provided this? This is on the profile level, right? This is also to understand that profile level works in all the conversations. It gets me and it provided me these responses. But if I had removed the personalized or the profile ones, it does not know that I'm Sudarshan, and then it will just provide me the answer. But I hope now you get the difference, how you can use different styles to make Claude behave how you want it to behave. This is the key thing. Let's recap what we learned in this video. I don't want to make this video long. There are now 3 layers. Profile 1 applies to account wide to every conversations. Layer 2, project instructions. You can create a project. Pod project applies to chats inside a project. Example, write a blog post, warm tone, no jargon. You can provide custom instructions, upload a file, and so on. That works on the project instruction level. And now there is this styles which you can switch anytime in the conversations. By this, what you are doing, you are saying Claude who you are saying what to do and how to sound, so that you get the concise, formal, custom voice responses out of it. I hope this makes clear, and now you can go and customize your Claude experiences and get better responses out of it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.